Have you ever wondered how machines can learn like humans? Welcome to the captivating world of artificial intelligence, or AI, where every day the boundaries of technology stretch a little further, blending science fiction with reality. Artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword, it's a rapidly evolving field that has transformed industries across the globe. At its core, AI involves creating intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes things like recognizing speech, making decisions, and translating languages. Now, imagine harnessing the power of AI yourself. It might seem daunting, but with the right tools, particularly Python, diving into AI becomes accessible to everyone. Python stands out in the tech world for its simplicity and flexibility, making it the perfect gateway for beginners aspiring to explore artificial intelligence. But what's new in AI? Recently, advancements have been groundbreaking. AI systems now can create art, write like seasoned authors, and even drive cars. These capabilities are not just changing the tech landscape, but are also crafting the future right before our eyes. Let's debunk a myth while we're here. Many believe that you need a background in technology to start learning AI. However, that's not the case. Our course, Unlock the World of AI with Python, No Experience Required, is designed specifically for beginners. Yes, you heard that right. No prior experience needed. Starting on the 18th of May, 2024, this course spans 3 months with classes held over the weekend. Each session, led by Anuj, saxena, a veteran with 33 years of experience in AI, promises to transform your curiosity into expertise. Moreover, when you enroll, you'll gain access to a special bonus on natural language processing, a fascinating branch of AI worth $15,000, absolutely free. This is a golden opportunity to not only learn AI, but also master a niche that's reshaping how machines interact with human language. So, are you ready to step into the future? Spaces are filling up quickly, and given the transformative content and the exceptional offer, it's no surprise. Secure your spot in this revolutionary journey. Transform your curiosity into expertise, and let your journey into AI begin here. Don't wait, the future is calling.